In my experimenting with the HDPE, I've discovered that HDPE, it's a resin. Okay, so what that means is that milk bottle material and other material are different. All right, this is from a water jug. No, not a water jug. More of an 8-litre container. It's a big thick container of that's part of the handle. But now I've cut it up. So now you have that. You have lids. You have your milk bottles. Alright. Now, the things these have in common are they are HDPE. And that's about it. Alright. Now, the better plastic of the two, of these ones anyway, are the milk containers. These are much easier to work with. Not saying that this one can't be worked with. Actually, I tell a lie. I tell a bit of a lie. Alright. Okay, you have 3. Okay, this one is HDPE2. Right. Okay, there are other lids on the market. They're rather soft to press. Okay, and they are HDPE4. They're the lower density. Oh no. Out of these 3, this one would be the easiest to work with because it is plastic injected. Okay, there are different properties in this resin. Right, if we have a container, mold, such as this. If we stack all our milk lids in there, Coca-Cola lids, either one, as long as they've been plastic injected, what happens is it will fill the mold. I didn't have to press it down at all. It basically just filled the mold. I've cut that just to have a look at it. So that filled the mold without me even pressing it down. Okay, with that said, this would be the better type of HDPE plastic to use. If you want to mold something, make your mold, have a little container or something on top, have a hole in that, put the lids in the container. Once that melts, it'll go through and it'll go into your mold. Then you have a mold. You have an item then. Right, so now then the next material would be this one. The milk bottle material, HDPE2, which it says. Okay, you melt this one down. When this melts down, it's pliable. What I mean pliable is goes into like a toffee like material. If you have the temperature up too high, it will burn, so you don't want to do that. Okay, then you can press it into shape, put in a press it, flatten it out, do whatever you like. Right, but this will not flow. This one will. This one won't. But this will, when you put it in the oven, it will melt down into a sort of a puddle, but it's not a puddle. When you try it, you'll see. Well, anyway, this one. Yes, I've got a supply of these these Mr. Bean strikes again. Number 2. Alright, I have a supply of these that I've already cut up. And when you melt this, it goes clear and it almost basically stays the same shape. It will sag down, but it basically stays the same shape. What you need is pressure. You need to press it, and then it'll go into the shape that you want. Yes, so my favourite one would be this one, then I probably would use this. I've got like a 60 litre container with all cut up pieces of this. I thought it might be the best since it was free. Little did I realise it takes a bit of work to work with this stuff. Yes, gluing it. Okay, there's my update with the type of plastic that I have, which the HDPE that I have. See you next time.